Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Just a quick little video of how to change out your cabin air filter in your Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This is for every single model, I think from 2010 all the way to 2016. I'm replacing it with this, with the camera pick it up, this Fresh Breeze one. I never tried one of these out, so I felt like giving it a go. That is the part number in case you guys do want to pick one up. I will leave it in the description. So to start, you want to take out these tabs here. There's two on each side. They come out very, very easily if you just pull up on the drawer. You can get your finger behind here and kind of just pull upwards, and it comes right out. So it's kind of like you pull up on the side, and then you pull up against the the drawer here, and then push them outwards, and then they'll kind of just fall out, and you can just grab them and pull them out. And then the same thing on this one. See if I can get a better angle for you guys. So you pull it like this, get your finger in it, and then pull up on the drawer like this, and then just pull it out. And then there's a clip here, pull that down, and the whole thing will drop. And then it's right here, there'll be a tab here, and then this just kind of slides in like that. So you just want to pull this here, and then look at it in there. This is the new one here. Yeah, and there's no directions how it goes. Oh yeah, there is an arrow, so look for the arrow. That will be going facing downwards. Just in there, right, just like that. Perfect fit. And then put this back on. Like that, and you'll hit a little click sound, and then pull on it a bit, make sure it's in there good, and then we are golden. So that is what it looks like. I have taken them out and I have cleaned them before. So I've taken out like the actual cabin, and I like took an air hose and I cleaned out every individual piece, because it's still kind of white when I took it out last. So I mean, this is pretty bad. It's been here about 2 years now, or 2.5 years. So this one's pretty much pooched. Not much white left on it. I recommend after you take it out to kind of put your hand in there to try and grab anything that fell out, because sometimes there's long, long sticks like this that kind of fall out and they go inside the actual little vent thing in there, and they'll make that little bit of like a noise if you don't grab everything. So I put your hand in there, or grab like a camera and kind of like look in there to see if there's anything in there just before you put the new cabin filter in, and then put everything back together, and then you're good to go.